Semtex. Need max. Requesting recon flyover.
You know when like people walk out of that A box bit and like they look at top 2? Yeah, I found a good spawn peak for that too. Like I've got the spot to watch it backwards without like countering.
For my friends. I'm reloading.
Straight for the heaven.
Their sniper's down. I need max. Reloading.
Holy, what the fuck am I doing?
Secure the area.
It's like the servers have just stopped being a cunt for fucking 2 seconds. Please just want it. Oh, I hate when it does that.
Hardpoint relocated. Secure the target area.
Changing max. Reloading.
How the fuck do I still have ammo is what I fucking want to know.
Changing max. Hostile eliminated. I'm reloading.
No, they finally got me. Holy fuck was that streak.
We've secured the field. Mission accomplished.
Yep. Yeah. Still got no points, see?